All right, and let's say hello to our guest joining us on the phone now. Let me go ahead and mispronounce your name. Is it Matthew Gehrman?
Yes, it is.
I got it right. Well, I got something right here this morning. All right, Matthew is with CityScape Insurance. Tell us a little about your company, please.
Well, CityScape Insurance, we launched last year, September, so we're coming up on our annual here. In that time, we initially started as personal lines only, and we branched out into commercial, really attacking the business side of things right now, and so that's where we're at.
Well, businesses struggle sometimes finding the right insurance at the right price, and what can you do to help them?
Well, we have access to a handful of different markets as well as brokerages, so we're able to place you with just about any market within the industry, whether you're non-standard or standard risk. I mean, this could include, your restaurants, your contractors, landscapers, and so on.
Matthew, do a lot of people shop for insurance in the wrong way in that they're looking at price only?
Yes, they do, and that's a real common mistake with most people. They look at the bottom line. They're looking at the price and not actual coverages. And ultimately, that could lead you to a real expense in the event that something isn't covered. So you may save a couple $100 here and there over the year, but you have one claim, and that could set you back thousands of dollars, if not really tank the business. So we're here to really review that coverage prior to actually looking at the cost. Obviously, it's important to be cost conscious, but that shouldn't be the only thing you're looking at.
And since a lot of people do a lot of their shopping for insurance and everything else online these days, how do you get involved in that process to help out customers?
Well, we do have access to online shopping on the website here, but that's not our primary focus. Mainly, we'd like to have that discussion with them over the phone. Common inquiries are obviously always welcome, but we've had a couple of things that have come up over the course of the years as really every business is driven to that online source, such as cyber liability and things like that, which has created a whole other set of exposures for businesses today.
And speaking of websites, yours is CityScapeInsurance.com. I'll let everyone know that, CityScapeInsurance.com. If your business suffers some kind of damage, flooding, whatever, a tree falls on it, it could be any number of things. Of course, you have to pay for the damage, but also you might have to shut the business down or you might lose business. How do you help businesses get through that challenge?
Well, you have your commercial property insurance, and that's going to cover your actual physical loss as well as your business personal property up to those limits less the deductible. Another policy option, which many businesses overlook, is the business interruption insurance, also known as business income insurance. And that's going to cover you in the event of a covered loss. It's going to cover your fixed operating costs, extra expenses, and in some cases, opening a temporary location while your building's being rebuilt or you're reestablishing yourself in the original location.
So for business owners who would be looking perhaps to change or get better insurance, the wise thing to do would be at least to give you a call or go online and have you talk to them about the possibilities.
Exactly, and gives us an opportunity to review the coverage. Every business has insurance now, and it's not usually a hot topic. A lot of businesses look at it as a necessary evil, which is quite the opposite. Insurance is here to make you whole in the event of a loss, and that's really what we're here to do, is give you the opportunity to review it with an agent and the options available.
I think you're right about looking at it as a necessary evil in the minds of a lot of people. All right, so once again, CityScapeInsurance.com. What about a phone number, please, Matthew?
You can reach us at the office, 602-888-1732. And, of course, you can always reach me directly at 480-907-8158.
All right, very good. Matthew Gehrman is CEO, owner of CityScape Insurance. Thank you for joining us this morning.
I appreciate it.